Welcome back to New Car Updates. Today, we're taking you inside one of the most luxurious motorcoaches ever built, the 2026 Foretravel Realm Presidential. This isn't just an RV, it's a full-blown 5-star hotel on wheels. If you thought luxury and the open road didn't mix, this coach is here to prove you wrong. Let's start with the exterior. The 2026 Realm Presidential stretches a full 45 feet and sits on Foretravel's proprietary travel ride chassis. The custom full-body paint, precision lighting, and massive panoramic windows give it a sleek, commanding presence. It looks more like a private jet on wheels than a traditional RV. Now step inside, and things get even more impressive. You're greeted with handcrafted details throughout, genuine Italian leather furniture, polished quartz countertops, and yes, heated marble floors. The design is elegant, modern, and unmistakably high-end. Everything in this coach is connected through Foretravel's new smart coach system. This means lighting, temperature, window shades, security, and entertainment can all be controlled from a wall-mounted touchscreen or your smartphone. It's like having a smart home, just mobile. The kitchen is a chef's dream, with premium appliances like a Wolf induction cooktop, a Sub-Zero refrigerator, and a built-in wine cooler. Across from the kitchen is a spacious lounge with a retractable 55-inch TV, full surround sound, and theater-style seating, perfect for relaxing or entertaining guests. Head to the rear and you'll find the master suite. It features a king-size memory foam bed, motorized blackout shades, a cedar-lined walk-in closet, and a spa-inspired bathroom with dual vanities and a rainfall shower. It even comes with a stacked washer and dryer tucked neatly in a utility closet. Comfort and convenience are everywhere. As for performance, this coach is no slouch. It's powered by a 605 horsepower Cummins X15 engine paired with an Allison transmission. Whether you're gliding down the interstate or maneuvering through a mountain pass, the Realm Presidential delivers a ride that's both powerful and smooth. And with features like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, 360-degree cameras, and air ride suspension, safety and stability come standard. Of course, this kind of luxury has a price. The 2026 Realm Presidential starts at around $1.6 million, and with full customization and upgrades, it can easily exceed $2 million. But for those who want the absolute best in mobile living, it's hard to beat. Thanks for watching New Car Updates. If you enjoyed this tour of the 2026 Foretravel Realm Presidential, hit that like button, subscribe for more premium vehicle reviews, and let us know in the comments, would you live in one of these full-time? We'd love to hear your thoughts.